Mojo, yeah. So good on the unboxing.
Down here tells you your battery power, low to high.
Okay, so you got 3 bars.
I've got 4 bars.
4 bars altogether. This is your mileage, probably your odometer. You got what, 0.1 miles on it. Yoo-hoo! All right, looks good.
It's not a mile, it's a kilometer.
Unboxing this thing, we got charging unit. Thing looks pretty sharp. We've got some rear view mirrors to mount, and we're gonna turn this thing on and give it a try. Alright, we got the Eahora. It is in pristine condition. Got the replacement parts for this tail cover. We had a big old scratch right there on on delivery, and we had a broken piece right here. Shipping damage happens sometimes, but it is a sign of a good seller if they ship you the broken parts and follow up and make it good. This machine is beautiful now, and nice and skiffied up. She's already, I came home, she already had the parts put on it. It was pretty easy. A few bolts on this side and a few hex bolts on the other side. Easy peasy. And she's already been out riding it today. So thank you from Eahora for following through and getting us the parts we need and making this new machine look new.